She did not come from a background of fame, yet there was a quiet intensity about her that audiences immediately felt. With a natural blend of elegance, strength, and commanding screen presence, Özge Törer didn't simply enter Turkish television. She stepped into it with purpose, embodying one of history's most respected figures and transforming a single opportunity into a defining career breakthrough. You're watching EvaDoc, and if you enjoy in-depth lifestyle and biography content about your favorite stars, make sure you subscribe to the channel and stay connected for more exclusive videos like this. Born on August 16, 1998, in Istanbul, Turkey, Özge Törer's story began far from the scale of epic historical productions. She pursued formal education in the arts at Muğla Koçman University, where she studied performing arts and immersed herself in theater. Those academic years became the foundation of her craft, sharpening her emotional expression, discipline, and ability to fully inhabit complex characters. Her professional breakthrough came when she was cast as Bala Hatun in the historical drama Kuruluş Osman. Taking on a character rooted in history required more than performance. It demanded cultural awareness, emotional restraint, and quiet strength. The series quickly expanded beyond Turkey, reaching international audiences and establishing Özge as a recognizable face in global historical television. Instead of treating the role as a temporary spotlight, she approached it with long-term dedication. Her portrayal balanced grace with resilience, spirituality with determination, earning appreciation from viewers who admired the depth she brought to a historically significant figure. The role did not just introduce her to fame, it positioned her as a leading presence within the genre. By 2026, Özge Törer is regarded as one of the promising young actresses in Turkish historical drama. Producers recognize her consistency, audiences connect with her composed authenticity, and industry observers note her steady growth. Her career path reflects patience and selectivity rather than rapid overexposure. Off-screen, her lifestyle reflects balance and refinement. She maintains a structured routine that supports both physical endurance and emotional focus, especially important for the demanding schedules of period productions. She presents herself with understated elegance, favoring appearances that align with her calm and polished public image. Her fashion choices mirror her personality, graceful yet confident. Whether attending premieres or formal events, she gravitates toward clean silhouettes and timeless styling, reinforcing a brand built on poise rather than extravagance. Although public interest in her private life has grown alongside her fame, she keeps personal matters discreet, consistently allowing her professional work to remain the central narrative. Within the industry, she is described as focused, respectful, and committed to fully understanding the emotional layers of her roles. As of 2026, her estimated net worth reflects consistent earnings from long-running television success, endorsements, and brand collaborations. More importantly, she has built credibility early in her career, positioning herself for longevity rather than momentary popularity. What distinguishes Özge most is composure. From her debut to sustained recognition, she carries maturity beyond her years. Her journey is defined by careful growth, cultural representation, and quiet ambition. Özge Törer's rise reflects intention rather than accident. From university stages to international screens, her path shows discipline, patience, and evolving artistry. As she continues forward in 2026, she stands as a refined symbol of modern Turkish historical drama, grounded, elegant, and steadily ascending. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this lifestyle feature, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to EvaDoc for more premium celebrity content. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one. He did not come from a background of fame, yet something about him was always impossible to ignore. With a natural mix of discipline, quiet intensity, and undeniable screen presence, Atakan Hoşgören didn't simply step into Turkish entertainment. He built his own path, transforming years of athletic focus into one of the most promising acting journeys of his generation. You're watching EvaDoc, and if you enjoy in-depth lifestyle and biography content about your favorite stars, make sure you subscribe to the channel and stay connected for more exclusive videos like this. Born on May 5, 1999, in Istanbul, Turkey, Atakan Hoşgören's journey began far from the polished world of television fame. From a young age, he was drawn to competition and structure, dedicating himself seriously to basketball. The discipline of training sessions, teamwork, and performance under pressure shaped his mindset long before acting entered the picture. His transition into acting marked a turning point. After early appearances in youth-oriented television projects, his career gained momentum with his role in 4N1K İlk Aşk, where he began building a loyal following. However, it was his portrayal of Ozan in Kardeşlerim that truly elevated his profile. The series achieved strong domestic ratings and international distribution, introducing Atakan to a broader audience and highlighting his ability to balance vulnerability, loyalty, and emotional growth with natural restraint. Rather than remaining within a single character type, Atakan has shown steady development in his performances. Each role reflects greater emotional awareness and confidence, signaling an actor focused on long-term growth rather than short-lived popularity. His choices suggest intention and patience, qualities that position him for longevity in a competitive industry. By 2026, Atakan Hoşgören is regarded as a dependable and evolving young lead. Directors value his work ethic, audiences connect with his sincerity, and critics note his consistent improvement across projects. His career path reflects focus, discipline, and a strategic understanding of steady progression. Off-screen, his lifestyle blends energy with structure. Fitness remains central to his routine, a reflection of his athletic background. He maintains a balanced schedule that supports both physical strength and mental clarity, staying grounded despite growing public recognition. His fashion sense mirrors his screen presence, clean, modern, and understated. Atakan favors simple yet sharp silhouettes that project confidence without excess. Whether attending industry events or appearing casually, he carries himself with composed authenticity. While his personal life occasionally attracts attention, he remains selective about public exposure. He consistently redirects focus toward professional growth and creative development. Within the industry, he is described as focused, respectful, and committed to understanding his characters with sincerity. As of 2026, his estimated net worth reflects steady earnings from television projects, endorsements, and emerging brand collaborations. Beyond financial gain, he has built increasing industry credibility and international visibility through consistent effort and measured decisions. What many viewers appreciate most is his subtle depth. He approaches roles thoughtfully, allowing emotional layers to unfold gradually rather than relying on dramatic excess. This controlled style distinguishes him from trend-driven performances and reinforces his long-term potential. Atakan Hoşgören's journey is defined by progression rather than sudden leaps. From disciplined athlete to rising screen presence, his rise reflects patience, resilience, and intentional growth. As he continues forward in 2026, he stands as a symbol of the new generation of Turkish talent, composed, evolving, and built to endure. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this lifestyle feature, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to EvaDoc for more premium celebrity content. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.